Oh no, I broke my fan! But the chain just ripped out as I turned on the light. Well, no problem. I'm going to be showing you how to replace a broken pull switch right now. So, as I turned on this light earlier, my pull chain just ripped out, as you see. But that's not a problem because I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the broken pull switch. So definitely the first thing you want to do is turn off your power. Well, since some light kits are different, this one's where you just take off the globe and you can access the wiring from there. But for me, I'm going to just be taking off the globe and accessing the wiring. And some just require taking off the light kit completely or taking down the switch housing. So yeah, but let's get to it. Alright, so if after you took off your light kit, or if you have not started yet, you might want to take off the light kit, but some are different, so I can just take off the globe from mine. Go, just do it from here. And then right here, you just, if you don't know about the nut, you can just unscrew it from here. I'm going to go ahead and take off the light kit, so I'll be right back. Alright, so what you do, you can just take out the pull switch, and here we are. And yeah, this thing like ripped, which I'm going to get that fixed later on. Well, next step is you're going to need 2 wire nuts, just because it goes through both sides, and wherever my pull switch went, I'm going to put it through here. And then one wire is going to go on the one black wire. And then while the other wire nut is going to go on this wire. You guys go. And then what you do is you thread it through the thing, and then through the hole here, the chain. You feed the chain through the hole here. And because my hole is pretty big, I'm going to have to use a washer. And then I'm going to use a nut. Probably I'm going to see if this will work. If it doesn't work, I can try to find another way, because, you know, like what I did with the last one, I'm going to get it in there. Oh, it goes in. It's going in. There we go. And then, there we go. Here we are. And alright. So, I'm going to show you how to, like, install it. Like, wire it. So, we have the black wire that's the hot wire, like, that goes into the light. Neutral means it just, like, you know, sends it back up. So the black wire is going to go to the other black wire. I'd recommend twisting them together just like this. And then put it on there. And then this one can go here. Like I said, you need to twist them up if you can't get it on there without twisting them up. So Make sure they're on there pretty good. And I'm going to go and test this out. Alright, I just screwed in the light bulb. And let's see. It comes on. Let's try the pull chain method. It's working. Alright, now let's get the light kit up there. Alright, after you put the light kit on, screw in the bulb. Or if you have a bulb in there, just screw it in there. And then put the and if you have a schoolhouse glove, put the glove on. Or put the shades on if you don't have a schoolhouse light kit. Right here, just go around all over, tighten it up. All right, now put on your pull chain extension from the old one, and there you go. Now I got it fixed.